With the sheet open to the tab you want to use, click the first cell of the column where you want to place your new data. Type the name for your data. In this case, type name fixed. Next, click into the first cell where you want the data to populate. Since the goal is to fix the inconsistent capitalization of the typed names in column C, which were inherited from how people filled in its attached form, enter this formula exactly how you see it here with no extra spaces. When you entered that formula into the cell, the data from the column you wanted to fix populated the new column. A word of caution: I don't recommend using this formula if there are parts of a name that should not be capitalized. For example, the D part of this name should be a lowercase d, not an uppercase D. Now everyone's name consistently has only the first letter capitalized in each part of their name. That's it. You're done.